Okay, so today we are going to discuss about sustainable development. So what is sustainable development and why we need this sustainable development? So at first we will see this word sustainable development. What is the meaning of this word sustainable development? Sustainable development means we use the resources which are available in our nature in such a way that our future generation can also use that things. This is known as sustainable development. This is known as not sustainable development, more accurate word is sustainable uses of the resource. And why we need this sustainable use and sustainable development? Recent days, what is going on in our earth is that we are using the resources in such a way that these resources, using of these resources in a much way that it's just depleting our earth. In how? Suppose we are using coal. Okay. Now, if we use too much of these things, this coal, then what will be happen? From this coal burn and all, this burn of coal, so many gases will be emitted from there. CO2, CO, NO2, like this. And these gases, what will be true? They will act as a greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? This is earth and this is sun, right? And the radiation from sun is coming into the earth, right? And they are coming, and this is the sun radiation, this is coming, and later on what happening? This sun ray is also going back to the atmosphere or going back to the into the space. And these gases, means CO2, CO, NO2, what they are doing, they are making a layer in the atmosphere, and due to this layer, what is happening? And due to this layer, this sun radiation is coming, but they cannot go back to the space. They are again come to the earth. So why the total or the average temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. So why we need to use this coal very minimum way. So why we need sustainable development. Sustainable development is nothing. We have to use the resources in minimum way, and we use that resource which are not harmful for the nature. So this is the sustainable development. Now see, this is a diagram. There you can see, this is the diagram. There you can see environment, social and economics. So when we do this sustainable development, we must ensure that the environment is not depleting, the social and the economics things is growing up. So sustainable development means not that we will not use the resource, and due to this the development means we have to make a balance between environment, social and economics. And this sustainable development is not that means that when we use this sustainable development, all the development and all will be shut down. No, we use that resource in such a way that everything will be on their progressive way, but not depleting the environment. This is the main thing. This is the main agenda of the sustainable development. Now see, there is a thing is there. Sustainability improves the quality of our lives. If we use this sustainable development, then what will happen? Then our living standard will be high. Why? Because if we use these resources, these natural resources in such a way, in tremendous way, then what will happen? Our environment will be polluted. If we use this sustainable development, then what will happen? Then the pollution will be reduced and the quality of our lives will be increased. And then it also protects our ecosystem and preserves nature. So from these things, we can understand that sustainable development can save our earth. So it will be our motto, and it must be our motto to enrich the sustainable development and to go through with this sustainable development.